Oh, look at that. This tree's probably sick, guys.
But George, how can you know that the tree is sick? It isn't coughing. And it has no fever either.
Trees don't cough. But a midsummer leaf dropping indicates that the tree is not well at all.
This is the oldest tree in the train city. It is older than Grandpa Billy himself.
Guys, we have to save it. Now let's go to the Young Gardener store.
Oh, something is going on here for sure. Hey, kids, where are you going, all of you?
Hey, do you know the tree that is older than Grandpa Billy?
Grandpa Billy? Yes, sure. What's wrong with him?
Well, he's drying up.
Oh, that's terrible. Grandpa Billy is drying up. Oh.
Mrs. Dove, when was the last time you checked your brakes?
What brakes indeed? Haven't you heard? Grandpa Billy is drying up.
He's drying up? All of him?
I'm not sure if it's the whole body or half, but it's truly contagious. We need to isolate him before he infects everybody.
Right. You run to Grandpa Billy and don't let him out of the house, and I will alarm the citizens immediately.
Who's there?
Nobody. You are dreaming. Sleep tight now.
What do you mean I'm dreaming, huh? Sleep tight, you say? I'm coming out there.
Oh no, coming out of bed is a bad idea. The weather is nasty today.
Why can't I open the door?
Because I'm holding it. Don't panic. We will take you to the hospital soon, Grandpa Billy.
That's it. We will visit the tree every day until it is well again.
Let's go and ask Grandpa Billy to give us some flowers to plant here around the tree.
Kids, run away! Grandpa Billy is out!
Have you seen Mrs. Dove, any of you? Oh, great. You know, you kids are doing well, very well.
Thank you, Grandpa Billy. Could you please give us some flowers to plant around the tree?
I love the idea. Wait here. I'll bring you flowers as soon as I can.
Grandpa Billy, wait! I'll help you.
Mr. Police Puff is asking you why you are not at school.
What on earth are you talking about? I'm asking, have you seen an infected patient around?
Why on earth are you covered with engine grease?
Oh, because grease protects from infection.
Hey, Vera, Wendy, just look at the flowers Grandpa Billy gave us.
Grandpa Billy, now don't fight back. Well, this spread protective grease all over you, and you'll be just fine.
I'm perfectly fine without any grease at all, you know. And tell me, dear Mrs. Dove, please explain, why did you lock me inside my own house when you came by before, huh? Can you tell me that?
Oh. What a hilarious story. It was all my mistake.
Yes. We are sorry, Grandpa Billy.
Never mind. We all make mistakes, you know. But look, the kids are doing a great job over there, huh? Isn't that sweet, huh? Look.
Awesome movie! With a sword cut in half, then he was alive again. I was on the edge of my seat. He sat through the whole movie with his eyes shut. He didn't see a thing, I swear.
No, I wasn't. I heard everything.
Oh, look, old Billy's house is like the Black Castle in the movie.
What was that? I can hear someone is snarling.
And it's definitely not a steam engine. It's as if somebody is creeping up on a victim.
Creeping up on a victim? So Grandpa Billy changes into a monster every moonlit night, just like this tale says right here.
What kind of monster can you check up and learn about? It's important. Well, it doesn't actually say here, but it sounds horrible and dangerous. Very dangerous.
Poor old Billy. It's because he's so lonely, I guess. But what if we're wrong about it?
There's only one way to check up our theory, guys, and I think I got it. Guys, I say we wait until the full moon comes out, and then we'll just... What will happen then?
Well, surely, then he'll come out and eat you up. That's what.
Why me? It could be you. I helped Grandpa Billy water his flowers and you didn't, you know.
George, why did you bring a bucket of water?
I heard that, or rather I read in a book that if you water them, they become friendlier. That's it. Guys, the moon is out now. Soon Grandpa Billy will turn the lights off, and then... Arnold, put the bucket down. I was only holding it, you know.
What do you know? Everybody needs a bucket.
Oh.
Why did you run away?
Why did you run away? That's it, everyone. Now we need to take action immediately, guys. Okay, bait is delicious food that a monster loves, but he doesn't have any for himself. I don't want to be bait. Besides, you know I'm not delicious at all.
Oh, but you're just a fat guy. Huh. It makes you so yummy, so live with it.
How's he gonna find out that I'm here? Well, first he'll smell you, and then he'll come out and eat you up. I mean, he'll try to, but we'll give him a treat from the bucket. George, I think I don't have any smell at all. Then how? Like this? Oh. No, not appetizing enough. Learn from me. Listen. Ooh!
Huh? That's outrageous! They won't let an old man sleep.
There he is. There. Spill water on him. Quickly now, quickly.
There you are, you naughty kids. Just you wait. Go away. Oh.
I wish I were you. Look at me, I'm all wet. You know what I think? Maybe Grandpa Billy made noises in his sleep like this.
Was he just snoring?
Athos. Porthos. Aramis. And me, D'Artagnan.
No, D'Artagnan was a boy, not a girl, Wendy.
D'Artagnan is a last name. Let us assume that he's my brother, who took a sick leave. I took his place. Let's not forget that we're all the Three Musketeers.
I'm sorry to interrupt you again, but we are four, so we can't be the Three Musketeers. If we're four, we should be the Four Musketeers.
The book is called The Three Musketeers, so we will be three, even though we are four musketeers. Well then, we need to find the Queen's earrings and save her.
Oh, my brave musketeers, bring me back my earrings. I forgot them across the river. If I don't get them back, my parents will punish me.
And beware of the Cardinal's guards.
No, don't stop. I will hold them back.
No, you won't. We will hold you back.
No, you won't. I will hold you back.
No, we will.
No, I will.
No, we will.
No, I will.
Guys, let's hold somebody back already.
Get the musketeers.
Hey, George, Aramis, hold him.
Why can't you do it yourself?
I promised my mom to come home early today.
How could I hold them back? What's wrong with him? I've got a serious disease. It's called a dry gulch syndrome.
A dry gulch syndrome? Is it contagious?
Yes, very.
Well, tell me, how can it be cured?
Can you bring me that plantain leaf from over there?
I think George succeeded in holding them back.
Here are the earrings.
Whoa!
Ethan, grab the earrings. Save the queen.
Oh! We are giving you back the dry gulch syndrome. I say your Aramis didn't hold us much. Right away, I knew he was faking it. I know him so very well.
Don't play the fool with the Cardinal's guards.
The Queen's earrings. She forgot them in the forest, and her parents would give her a scolding. Too bad that neither of you, my dear and brave musketeers, could bring these studs back to Her Majesty. Instead of doing it that way, the Cardinal's guards would bring them to her.
Is that real? The Cardinal's guards would save the Queen and not the brave musketeers?
I don't like this ending at all. Let's get them. Come on.
Thank you all, my brave and loyal lifesavers.
Well, the ending of the play is a bit unexpected, but why not indeed? Bravo!
Wow, they didn't get that much applause in the
Hey, come on. Yeah, pass it over here. Yeah, over here. Send it to me. Let's play. Come on, faster. Over here. Let's go. Come on.
Guys, it's dangerous to play in this street. The policemen will be angry. What's wrong? You hurry like there's a fire somewhere.
Miss Dove's house is on fire. Give my hose back.
You can unroll that thing, and we will go to save Mrs. Dove. Mrs. Dove is on fire.
Yeah, and she smells so delicious.
We thought your house is burning. Oh, I bought some fresh coal, and now I'm making a very tasty barbecue. Ethan, try it. Is it ready yet or not? Thanks.
I need another piece. May I have it?
What's burning here?
I wanted to say the barbecue was delicious. Thank you.
Enjoy it.
Let's make the barbecue for ourselves. I'm so tired of homemade food. Follow me.
I know where to get the best coals.
Don't you think the coal we have picked is too big?
No, they aren't. They'll be good. I know it for sure.
and what is that flat iron thing? And where are we going to cook our food?
Ah, I guess we'll have to cut it.
Be careful!
Woo. Ah.
You know, I don't think I want to eat that delicious barbecue anymore.
I don't want either. It became so firm. You know, I would love to have some homemade food.
Mom, do we have something to eat?
Ethan, I'm happy you came. I bought some coal. Will you help me make the barbecue?
Barbecue, huh? Delicious, huh?
That's interesting. What is going on there?
I don't know. Let's have a look. Hey, what are you doing here?
It is a throwing weapon of the ancient Romans.
What is that?
They put the shell in here and then pull the rope and
threw it at their enemies.
And who are you going to shoot with your catapult?
Actually, we don't want to shoot with a shell.
we are planning to shoot it ourselves.
Isn't that a cool idea?
Oh, wow. Can we join you?
You? Join us?
I don't think so. It's not a girl's business.
I don't understand. What does that mean?
Building and repairing is not for girls. You'd better cook, clean, or water the flowers.
Oh, really? Is that what you think? Then let us build your catapult and you do our girly things, and then we'll see who does a better job.
Well, I'm sweeping and you're cleaning.
Maybe I can sweep the floor and you can clean.
There's no difference. Every girl can do that.
How are these catapults made?
Here's the drawing. Let's start.
Vera, are you okay?
Yeah, I think so. I found what we need.
I told you, it's easy. Look how clean everything is.
Yeah, very clean. Ethan!
George, be careful. I'll help you. George, the bookcase!
Oi, oi, oi!
I tried to warn you.
How is it?
Awesome. We would make some really good Romans.
We tried our best.
We can see that, boys.
We didn't know girly work was so difficult. Is it funny for you? Let's go and see the catapult that you built.
Wow! It's amazing!
Awesome! We would be really good Romans.
You did a great job. We'll never make fun of you ever again.
And we will learn how to clean. We have our own instructions. Ready?
Let's do it! Woohoo!
Will I survive alone?
Hello there, Ethan. Are you still playing Robinson Crusoe? I'm going downtown. Do you need something?
Yes, I'm still playing Robinson Crusoe. And Robinsons do not get anything from downtown, thank you. It's hard to survive on an uninhabited island, nearly impossible. Ow! Hey, what's going on here? This is my uninhabited island. You go and inhabit some other place.
Playing Robinson is a stupid game when you have many friends around.
But it makes me strong enough to survive in extreme conditions. You see, Vera?
Oh, yeah? Then I want to be Robinson as well. I'll be Mrs. Robinson.
Girls cannot become Robinsons.
Watch me because I will. You see?
Oh, I will play the survival game using scientific methods.
So then, shall we go and get ourselves an island?
No, I can't live on an uninhibited island. I have to eat a lot.
So why don't we go make a movie about them? Get the camera, Arnold. Some noise. This place could be dangerous. Look over there. It's them. Don't scare them away. These are savages. I'm going to try to capture them.
Oh, these savages are mine.
Actually, I was the first to spot the savages. I discovered and described them.
Hey guys, I'm confused. Did we capture the savages or did they capture us? I gotta say, I'm getting pretty tired of playing Robinson Crusoe.
And I have some experiments to finish at home, really, guys.
Ethan, we agree that you're the best Robinson player ever. You're the champion of this game.
What do you say? Can we play another game? Hide and seek, maybe?
Ah, wait a minute, guys. Trollykins, when did you get to join the game? I would like to know.
Indeed then. How did you guys even get here?
I think I know who's taken the game too far.
We wanted to shoot a thriller, so we simply put them up to the task to come here. Uh-oh. Hey, stop!
Run,
we'll get you!
Run!
Hey, you better stop!
Just wait,
Stop it!
You're running away.
I'm gonna get you, you'll see!
What?
The Robinson Crusoe game failed, guys. Let's just pretend we're violent savages.
Oh.
I wonder, if I write Paris instead of Train Town on the sign, will we get more guests?
Ethan, we should also have other things here, like sightseeings as well.
I think a foreigner will more likely pass by the town before we have any sightseeings to offer.
Coming through. Oh, coming through. Excusez-moi. There is a package for you from Paris. Open it up, s'il vous plaît. Oh, I have so many things to do. C'est la vie.
Oh, it says Paris. Did they send the whole of Paris to your grandpa? What could be inside?
I don't know. We'll find out when Grandpa opens it.
Grandpa's only coming in the evening, and that's a long time. Maybe we'll open it ourselves.
That isn't right, Ethan. You shouldn't open someone's package.
I know how to look at what's inside this box, my friends, without opening it. This is an X-ray machine. You can look through things with the help of it.
Huh?
So you thought of using it on the box, didn't you, George? You're a genius.
There's something triangular there. I don't understand what it is anyway.
That's why we need to open it right now.
Wow!
Let me see.
Whoa.
Oh, no! Ethan, you know, you didn't break the box. You broke Grandpa's heart.
Anthony,
Huh?
was there a package for me? I ordered a statuette. It will remind me of beautiful Paris. Oh, Paris. When I was just a little train many years ago, I went to a Paris exposition. It's a marvelous city. Charming, charming.
But I can't lie. We need to tell Grandpa that we broke the statuette, his memory of Paris.
You're right. We must confess. But we should bring back his memory of Paris, too.
Ethan, but how?
What did you say about sightseeings before?
Hello? Is this the post office? I know it's really quite late, yeah? But why haven't you brought my package to me? It should have been here by now.
Grandpa.
Wait a minute. Can't you see that I'm on the telephone?
Grandpa, wait. There will be no package. We broke it by accident. I'm sorry. I really am.
You what?
Yes, I know it's not right to open someone else's packages, but we...
Oh, you have no idea what you've done to my poor heart.
Turn it on!
Grandpa, please, forgive us for breaking the statuette.
Anthony, look, guys. The thing you broke was very important. But the thing you have built for me right here is much more precious. Much more precious, yes.
Tell me, have you visited the Egyptian pyramids by any chance yet?
Freestyle Rails champion, Wendy!
You know that you can take run easily, but I wonder how you can stop on time.
Wow, that was awesome.
Amazing.
Wow, what a stop, huh?
Contact shoes. They're special stop blocks for train braking.
Anthony, how do you know everything about Wendy? Huh?
Oh, well, actually, she's my cousin.
Oh.
Besides, Wendy is moving to Train City to live right here with us.
Yeah!
The flowers are from Grandpa Billy's garden? He'll be really mad at you.
They're coming!
Hey guys, I would like to introduce you to Wendy.
Hi, wanna be friends?
It's great that you came here.
Guys, Guys, you're so cool. Is there a place for me to train?
Everywhere.
What the? What are they doing, these kids? The railroad's not a place for games, eh? Oh. Tell me, who told you could hold a race here?
It's nothing, really. We're just playing.
Well, then go and play on a playground, huh? Here you can cause a crash, you know.
Wow, that was awesome.
Now go back, but in reverse.
These contact shoes are really working.
The shoes are for champions.
We're sorry about the flowers, Grandpa.
Oh, I'm not mad at you about flowers. They are to be bestowed and, well, bestowed and they're to be watered, too.
What are you doing? Please don't. Chewing.
Well, we got this right. For the railroad is not a place for games.
Hey, friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.